Hi, I'm Natalie with AMA Meditime, and I'm going to share how to properly clean your HydroImpact. Step 1. Gather all your ingredients. You'll need baking soda or citric acid, vinegar, lukewarm water, just no tap water, a measuring cup, and a measuring spoon. To create your own cleaning solution, fill up your measuring cup with 200 milliliters of warm filtered water. Add 200 milliliters of vinegar, add a small amount of baking soda or citric acid, and stir until everything is mixed. Your solution should look like this when mixed. Now let's clean the HydroImpact. First, open the lid and gently pour the solution into the tank. Close the lid, click the Hydro standby button, wait for the orange light to come on the hand probe, pick up the hand probe and click the Start Pause button, or click the Start Pause button on the screen panel. Then let the solution spray into an empty cup and wait until the solution stops. Next, we'll be moving on to the rinsing process, and you can repeat this step until the solution scent is all gone. First, dip the hand probe into the solution for 3 to 5 minutes, and make sure not to get any of the buttons in the solution. Then rinse the nozzle 2 to 3 times with lukewarm water, then take your hand probe out and gently towel dry. Next, gently pull out the filter and dip it into the solution for 3 to 5 minutes, and feel free to brush off any excess waste on the filter as needed. Finally, leave the filter and all the other components outside to air dry, and you're all done!